In this video, I'll show you what to do in case you're stuck in safe mode. Maybe your PlayStation got turned off because of power outage, or somebody pulled the power cable all of a sudden and you're stuck over here. At this step, if you can, okay, click on repair console storage. If you have this option, go ahead, click on it, and 90% of the time it will fix your problem. But if you're stuck in safe mode, it mostly means that only option number 7 is available, 7 or 8, something like that. Okay, so what you need to do in that case? When this happens, you need to manually shut down your PS5 by pressing the button on the console. So over here, when you see this, press the power button. Okay, now the PS5 is shut down. We need to re-enter safe mode. How do you do this? You need to press this power button. You're gonna hear a beep. Mine won't hear because I turned it off. Keep it pressed until you hear a second beep. Then release your button, your finger from the power button. They'll ask you to connect your PS5 controller using a USB cable. Okay, the one that came in the box, or choose any cable actually. And then press the PS button on the controller itself. Go and select, you will not have a choice if you're stuck in safe mode. You'll have to select Reset PS5. After clicking on Reset PS5, you're gonna have to re-sign into your PSN ID using your email address and password. Okay, you'll have to relog because the data regarding all your profiles will be deleted from your PlayStation. You'll simply have to log in again to make them appear. You may or may not have to re-download your data for your games. If this happens, you need to go into the settings, then go to storage, and then click on saved data. Pick save data and game apps settings. Then go to save data, cloud storage, and download to console storage. This way, nothing will be lost. You just have to re-download everything. It's not a perfect solution, but it works, and this is a way to get out of safe mode. If you have any other ways on how to exit, please let me know in the comments down below. Type a comment. I'll be very grateful to read that, and probably other people that are stuck. So thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.